This is a short walk. Boys are headed back already. Can't really say as I blame them. It's kind of crappy out. Huh, Ted made a smiley face. No, you didn't. Your brother did. Look at this. So we had about, I think it's probably maybe 6 inches of snow. Not too bad for an overnight drop. Real fluffy stuff though. Our neighbor's going up and down with his snowblower today because the snowblower is just easy to deal with than the plow this morning, I guess. That seems to be working pretty well. But yeah. Impressive. I love it. This is the time of the year when I really enjoy winter because it's just warm enough where you're not absolutely freezing to death, and just picturesque enough to be on a card of some kind. And these guys are saying keep moving because they're freezing their butts. It's not that warm, is it? Yeah. Well, anyways, I'm glad we finally got some snow. Whew. I'm also glad that we got most of that ice melt gone. Because that ice melt was a huge problem. That was, marking your own markings? Yeah, that's thorough, buddy. Yeah, the ice was going over the roads and everything down in town. Other than getting our bridge knocked out, we were remarkably unscathed from that whole ordeal, which I was obviously super happy to see. But, yeah. It's been kind of a mild winter so far. I would really like to have seen a little bit more snow, because like we didn't get the Daniel snowmobile out, and this is pretty much going to be the last year. He's got a Polaris 120, and he's getting big enough where that machine's not going to do him much more good. So this was going to be pretty much the last year for that. But he's snowboarding now anyway, so I don't think the snowmobile holds as much of an allure. But these guys hated the snowmobile, so that's really not going to bother them much, right? All right, I'm carrying on. Not going to bother you guys any more of this. I just thought this was really, it's really beautiful out here. This is why I live here. Oh, hello, Belle. Right.